This video is following video part 1, so please, if you didn't watch part 1 where much points important for you as beginner, I advise you to watch it first. As I said before, let's change parameters of bolt to give it right shape. Now, rotate 90 degrees around the axis. After, scale it to be appropriate with circles of cylinder. Then duplicate the bolt to put it in next side. Take a look top, to have equal distance. Sounds good now. Right now duplicate second time the bolt. Then take it direct to head. Move it into take right position. Scale it by click on S plus Z. Then drag it down. Next step, duplicate it. Then put it above and scale it by click on S plus Z. Second step. Rotate it around the axis Z. Good. Now back to edit mode, and delete inside of bolt. Just click in a part of bolt, then follow it Shift plus Alt plus left button of your mouse, click on delete, from menu click on face. Rather than reduce the height of bolt, I prefer to scale the element inside. Now, to select the high circle of bolt, just select one syllable of circle, then follow it, Shift plus Alt plus left button of mouse. Next step. Let's push it to axis, by click on button I. Now, we noticed that our bolt not centered, so, let us adjust it. Well done. Back to edit mode, we need to hide inside the bolt, so, select the perimeter of circle. Then, by click on button, E plus Z, drag to down. Go to object mode. Then, select the object. Click on G plus Z, drag it up. Now, let's add number code. Click on Shift plus A, go to Option, Text, as we can say, then, rotate around the axis, X, 90 degree, and, around, Z, axis, 90 degree. Next step, go to edit mode to write number code. I, space, 1/4. Then back to object mode. Go to Properties, and raise from Extrude. Next step. Go to Constraint Properties, then, select Remesh. Sorry, we have to use Modifier for this option, so select Option Remesh. And, reduce the size into your code number sounds appropriate. Next step. Drag it inside the object. Now, select all by click on Shift plus left button mouse, then, follow it, Ctrl plus J, to be one object. Go to Material Properties, then, click on New, and from the hex, write as I'm doing to get right color. Next step. Go to preview mode. Oh, sorry, we figured out a problem. Our number code didn't fusion with the object, so why? Of course, we had to convert text to mesh. Select the text, then, from right button of the mouse, go to convert, then choose the option, mesh. Well, now, select our object and the code number. Next step, click on, Ctrl+J. Now, go to material properties, then, follow the steps we did before. Go to preview mode. Well done, here our result.